This is how you're going to buy a GoDaddy domain and email starter bundle. So step one is you're going to head to your godaddy.com, and then you're going to use the search bar under your domain to type your desired domain name. So for example, I'm going to search for talkisoju.store, and I'm going to hit on enter to search. And then from here, you're going to select a domain, pick an available domain, and then you're going to click on make it yours or add to cart. So for this one, I'm just going to click on it, make it yours. And then from here, on the checkout screen, GoDaddy will offer add-ons. Select professional email with domain. So let's just hit on continue first before we head to our checkout page. So once we're here, we can select professional email with domain for the add-ons. So you will see it right here, the professional email pro light powered by Titan. So you're just going to click on that so that it will be included in your checkout. And then after that, you're going to click on continue to cart. Now, you're going to review your items. You will see the domain plus email bundle together if you have successfully checked it. So make sure that you review it properly before checking out. So as you can see here, I have my Talkisoju store, the domain registration, and then I have my professional email pro as well. So all of that has been added to my cart, and all you have to do now is you're going to check it out. You're going to click on ready for checkout, or you're going to hit on PayPal if you're going to pay through PayPal. Now you're just going to enter your payment details, and then you're going to click on complete purchase. Now after purchase, just go back to my products under email and office. You will see your new email account setup link, and the next thing you're going to do is you're going to follow the prompt to set a password and log in. And that's it. That is how you're going to buy GoDaddy domain and email starter bundles. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more.